Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Huevos Película is probably one of the most anticipated releases in the world of collectible toys and action figures, promising to bring beloved characters to life with stunning detail and articulation, making it a must-have for fans and collectors alike who appreciate high-quality craftsmanship and the nostalgia of iconic movie moments. Number 5. Deluxe Egg Bite Maker. Make delicious, protein-packed bites in just minutes. Its compact design fits perfectly on your countertop. Our non-stick silicone cups make releasing your homemade egg bites a breeze. Enjoy healthy snacks with perfect results every time. The large cup holds about 2 eggs, while the mini cups are perfect for smaller portions. Customize your snacks with ease. This electric maker delivers fluffy, moist breakfast bites quickly. It makes meal prep simple and efficient for busy mornings. Get creative with this versatile maker. It's perfect for desserts, mini cheesecakes, or custards, not just breakfast. Gather your family and enjoy the simple pleasure of cooking and eating together at home. Happiness is homemade. What we like. This appliance makes delicious, protein-packed bites in just minutes. Its compact and space-saving design makes it perfect for any kitchen counter. If you're looking for quick, healthy breakfast or snack options, this is the ideal choice for busy mornings. What people say. The Huevos Película offers a unique and engaging cinematic experience. Its innovative design and advanced features make it a standout product in its category. The film quality and visual clarity are exceptional, providing a truly immersive viewing. Number 4. Toomies Hide and Squeak Eggs. Introducing the Hide and Squeak Eggs, an adorable and educational toy perfect for little ones. This set includes 6 colorful eggs that make fun sounds when played with. These interactive toys feature shells that crack open to reveal cute, colorful chicks. Your child will be delighted to discover what's inside each egg. Press down gently on the chicks' heads to hear them squeak or rattle. This creates a delightful sound experience that encourages exploration and giggles. These educational toys help children improve their recognition of colors and shapes. They can sort each egg into its matching base, enhancing sensory play. These plastic eggs are ideal for Easter baskets, holiday stockings, or birthdays. Their compact size, bright colors, and cute chick theme make them a wonderful present. What we like. These charming eggs reveal cute chicks that squeak and rattle when pressed. They help toddlers learn colors and shapes through sorting. If you need an engaging and educational toy for babies and toddlers to develop their sensory and motor skills, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The Huevos Película is a fantastic addition to any movie night, offering a unique and fun way to enjoy your favorite films. Its innovative design allows for easy setup and operation, making it accessible for users of all technical abilities. The picture quality is superb, with vibrant colors and sharp details that bring movies to life. Number 3. XXtoys Dinosaur Egg Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets you excavate a giant egg to discover amazing dinosaur toys hidden inside. Inside the egg, you'll find 12 different dinosaur figures, just waiting to be revealed. It's a thrilling surprise with every dig. With the included tools, you can easily chip away at the egg to uncover the dinosaurs. It's a hands-on activity that takes about 40 minutes. This kit isn't just fun, it's educational too. Use the learning cards to identify the dinosaurs you find and learn fascinating facts. Looking for a gift for a child aged 5 to 7? This educational STEM toy is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It encourages patience and manual skills. Bring this exciting activity to parties, family picnics, or even camping trips. It's a great way to engage kids and create memorable experiences. What we like. This kit lets kids excavate a giant egg to discover 12 unique dinosaur toys. It's a fun, hands-on way to learn about paleontology and develop patience. If you have a child aged 5 to 7 who loves dinosaurs and enjoys interactive learning, this is an excellent gift for parties or Easter. What people say. The Huevos Película is a fantastic addition to any home theater setup. Its sleek design and high-quality construction make it a standout product. The picture quality is simply stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details. Number 2. Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Secret Surprise Playset. Get ready for the ultimate unboxing experience. Each playset is a dream for unboxing fans, with 3 layers of hidden surprises waiting to be hatched and discovered. Inside the egg, you'll discover 3 exclusive characters, a sticker sheet, and fun papercraft decorations. Plus, there are 3 unique accessories for complete storytelling. Once you've hatched all the surprises, it's time to decorate your scene and bring your theme to life. The included decorations and accessories make it fun to display and play. These surprise toys are perfect gifts for girls aged 5 and up. They are great for imaginative play and collecting. It's always a surprise which theme you're getting. Collect them all and discover the fun within each egg. Each playset includes everything you need for immediate fun: characters, accessories, stickers, and papercraft sheets to get your storytelling started. What we like. This playset offers an exciting unboxing experience with 3 layers of hidden surprises. You can hatch exclusive characters, stickers, and accessories for imaginative storytelling. If you're looking for a surprise toy that encourages creativity and collecting for kids aged 5 and up, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The Huevos Película is a fantastic addition to any movie night, offering a unique and immersive viewing experience. Its innovative design allows for easy setup and seamless integration with existing home theater systems. The picture quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details that bring movies to life. Number 1. Nostalgia Retro Premium Egg Cooker. Enjoy perfectly cooked eggs with just one touch. Simply add water, select your desired doneness, and let it do the rest. Breakfast will be ready in minutes. This appliance can handle up to 14 eggs at once, ensuring you get healthy and consistent results every time. It's perfect for families or meal prepping. Beyond boiling, it's great for poached, scrambled, and omelets. You can even make egg sandwiches, steam vegetables, or prepare dumplings. It's ideal for any meal or occasion. Its classic retro look adds charm to your kitchen. The LED power gauge and sleek on-off lever provide a modern touch to its vintage aesthetic. The cool touch handles ensure your safety when opening or closing the lid. You can easily access your perfectly cooked eggs without any risk of burns. It's an excellent tool for those following keto or low-carb diets. Enjoy delicious and healthy egg dishes with minimal effort. What we like. This cooker can prepare up to 14 eggs at once, offering soft, medium, or hard-boiled options, plus poaching and scrambling. Its classic retro design adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. If you need a versatile appliance for preparing various egg dishes quickly and efficiently, especially for families or small gatherings, this is a great pick. What people say. The Huevos Película is a fantastic addition to any home theater setup, offering a truly immersive viewing experience. With its advanced features and sleek design, the Huevos Película not only enhances your entertainment but also complements your living space. The picture quality is outstanding, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details that bring movies to life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.